Drum roll, please.
He's gonna go in there and hide with it, isn't he? Because he knows we're standing here. Just hold still.
Looks like he's sweating.
They don't sweat.
It's sparkling.
Nope. You see his skin, his body moving? What he's trying to do is he's trying to shove that thing into his throat. So he's going to use that log to help push it in, maybe. Just hold still. Don't move. All right, he's looking up at us, so don't move. They got excellent vision.
I can picture it in my mind, and it's breathtaking.
They have excellent vision.
It's probably a bad bulb, so you know, if one goes out, the whole thing doesn't work.
Nothing like Christmas movies on while you're watching a snake eat a rat.
I did that, Dad.
Well, if you need any help, give me a holler. I'll be upstairs asleep.
Sorry, Daddy. Looks good even
Holy
if we're not
crap.
lit.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Well, Dad, it was a good try.
Thanks, Bess.
He's really vulnerable right now. So,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure of it.
Thought so. Maybe we ought to go up there and just get.
Whoa, jeez, look at the time.
they don't have teeth where they can chew. They have to swallow everything whole. It's the only way they can survive.
Clark. Don't step to me.
Tis the season to get
See his tongue sticking out, smelling the air.
25 days of Christmas.
I can't get the antlers glued onto this little guy.
Can you try Staples?
Staples?
Scrooge. Staples. Monday.
Not only is he swallowing it, but he's crushing it with his muscles.
Freeform's 25
You feel how tight he grabs around your hand when you pick him up?
on Freeform.
Yeah, he's pretty strong for a little guy.
And sticks, throw a cookie in the mix. Every year.
There he goes. All right, well, we can't pick him up for days because he's ornery. And he's